How to fix iPhone messages not delivering. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messages app and check if you are sending the correct phone number. So check if the number that you are sending the message is correct, and if not, then go ahead and recheck your phone number. Next, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection and cellular connection, as in order to send the message, it is important to have a proper working network connection. If not, you can also simply enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again, as doing this will refresh your network, and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone along with network issues. And if that does not help your issue too, then go ahead and open settings again and scroll down and tap on the apps option you see there. Further scroll down again and then tap on the messages option. Further, in this particular interface, go ahead and make sure that iMessage toggle button is enabled, and if not, then enable the toggle button for iMessage. Also, tap on the send and receive option you see there and confirm your phone number and Apple ID are selected. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then go ahead and check if the recipient has blocked you or if their phone is offline, as sometimes this can be the issue. If not, you can also launch the settings application on your device. Here, tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as sometimes an outdated version could be the issue. Additionally, go back to General and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option you see there, and then tap on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Reset your network settings and then reconnect again and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. And if you are still not being able to send messages, then you can contact your mobile carrier and see if messages service has been disabled. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone messages not delivering. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.